Everyone. Hello everyone, this is Marta Saldivar and I'm going to show you how to go into finding more information about the insurance. You're going to click here to departments on the ecisd website and you're going to go to benefits department. There you're going to go to, scroll down, Employee Benefits 2018 PDF. This has over 69 pages, kind of lengthy. And on this PDF, you can find all the information about all the insurances you have, Ameritas, dental, vision, health. You can find all the information that you're looking for. If you scroll down, it'll give you the content. Here it is. Ameritas, vision, disability, life insurance, Allstate, Humana, accident. Tells you the page number, Voya, flexible spending, dependable care, FSA. All that you need to know is on this web page, PDF. And also it has the website for the contact people and their phone numbers. This is easy to contact also at the administration, their extension number, their email number. This is very good to have. It's very accessible and it's on the ecisd website. You can get it anytime you need some information. Okay, thank you. Bye.